I'm Rohtash from KK Geosystem, and I'm going to give a presentation on topography survey with 3D laser scanners. So we'll start with a brief introduction about our company. We are leading distributors for 3D laser scanners in India, and we promoted KK Geosystem in 2009 to market advanced service instruments in India. Previously with KK Sales, our sister concern, we have been selling Sokia survey instruments in the western part of the country since last 15 years. And in 2009, we decided to diversify into more advanced instruments, and we started marketing laser scanners. In 2013, we took up distribution of Faro, and since then, we have taken up pan-India distribution for Scan & Go, Chexcel, Geomagic, LFM, Global Mapper, all related to 3D laser scanning and 3D laser scanning softwares. Our company is growing 200% annually since last 3 years, and we are a dominant player in mid-range laser scanners in India. So in India, we offer complete 3D laser scanning solutions under KK Geosystem. So we are selling Faro tripod-based terrestrial laser scanners. Then we have Scan & Go attachments for stop-and-go solution, and we are also marketing Citeco mobile mapping systems. I'll start with the Faro range. So in Faro, we have two different models. One is X130 and the second is XT30 laser scanner. So the major difference between the two models is the radial range. X130 is having a radial range of 130 meters and XT30 is having a radial range of 330 meters. Faro Focus 3D uses a phase shift technology for measurements. In laser scanner, there are basically two technologies. One is time of flight and second is phase shift. Generally, phase shift scanners are short range scanners but high accuracy scanners. But with Faro XT30, Faro has managed to take the range to 330 meters with keeping the technology, phase shift technology, same as before. And we have a field of view of 360 degree horizontal and 300 degrees vertical. So with one single scan, we cover everything except the tripod part, and that decreases the number of scans required for any project. These are some of the features about Faro laser scanner. So it's very easy to handle. It is 5 times smaller than the previous generation scanner. It is 4 times smaller than the previous generation scanner, so it just weighs 5 kg. It is the world's lightest and the smallest scanner till now. It has its own onboard touchscreen color display for data management and changing the parameters and settings depending upon your scanning requirement. It has a 70 megapixel digital camera integrated into it, so you don't need an external camera. And it also has a 5 hours battery life with a lithium-ion internal battery, and the data is stored on an SD card, so you don't require any external data storage also. The scan speed is 976,000 points per second, which is again one of the highest in the industry. And we also have an automation interface for integrating the Faro scanner into a mobile mapping system. This is a small video about the Focus 3D XT30. Faro scanners come bundled with Faro Scene software, which is a registration software. And for registration purpose, we have 5 different methods for registering the scans. We can use the artificial targets like checkerboards and sphere balls. We can also use natural targets like planes, lines, points. Then we also have option of cloud to cloud and top view based registration methods for indoor applications, and we also can do georeferencing for each scan for the registration purpose. Apart from registration, you can export the data and import data into industry standard formats like E57, PTX, DXF for taking it to third-party softwares. We also have a feature for importing CAD data for visual inspection. So if you want to visually inspect your CAD design with the point cloud data, we have an option of importing CAD data also. Then we also have automatic image colorization in Faro Scene. So you can import third-party images from digital camera and do a registration of the images on the point cloud data. And for the images, we have features for color balancing and white balancing to improve the quality of images and integrate with the point cloud data. Apart from Scene, we have also developed a Faro App Center in which we have apps from third parties for specific verticals, and you can download as per your requirement the required applications and required works. So we have some applications for the survey industry. So I will start with the first step, that is the survey app. So in this you can draw lines, polylines, arcs, and export those lines, polylines, arcs into DXF format, and you can take it to CAD software such as AutoCAD, Civil 3D. Then you can also create topographic contours in this application and export it into Civil 3D and AutoCAD softwares. After that, we have an application called Builder app, which is mainly for the building application, wherein you can monitor the changes in the building elements. You can create topographic contours, and you can also create cut fill maps for your cut and fill calculations. Again, this can be exported into DXF format, take it to Autodesk environment. Then we have an app called Video Pro app, which can be used to create fly-through videos from the scan data. This is again a free app, and it can be used to create fly-through from the scan data and export it into other different formats like MP4 for sharing it with your colleagues. After laser scanner, if you want to upgrade it to a stop and go system, so we also offer stop and go system in which there are different components required for making it a stop and go system. So we offer the complete system. The first component required is the level plane, which levels the scanner up to 22 degrees with an accuracy of 3 seconds. Then you need a coaxial bracket for fitting the GNSS on the scanner. So we have an option wherein you can use the DGPS mounted on a laser scanner for getting the position of the laser scanner. Then you need a manual leveling magnet target along with the GNSS for getting the target coordinates, and you have a roof lift for increasing the height up to 3.2 meters. So you can increase the scanner's height up to 3.2 meters for getting a better ground point range. And you can use the same Faro Focus 3D laser scanner which you are mounting on a tripod, and the same scanner can be mounted on the stop and go system. And apart from the laser scanner, you need GNSS systems, and you can use your own GNSS system with 2 rovers and 1 base station. The system requires a level plane. You place the laser scanner on the level plane, and one GNSS system stays on the laser scanner, and the second GNSS system stays on the target which you mount on the car. While scanning, the scanner scans the target, and with the GNSS you get the position of the scanner and the target, and you can georeference each scan, and you can proceed with merging the data by georeferencing each and every scan. So generally it takes 12 minutes for a laser scanner to finish one scan. During the same time you can log the GNSS data, and you can georeference by taking the GNSS data and processing it into Faro Scene software. A small video about the stop and go.
system is extendable up to 3.2 meters above ground. By extending the height up to 3.2 meters, you can get ground points up to 350 meters with the Parafocus CTX330 scanner. The system is completely automated.
So by sitting in the car, you can increase the height, decrease the height, close the system. So don't need to get out of the car. You can drive to one location, increase the height, do a scan, again decrease the height, move to second location, do a scan. So you're saving a lot of time by not using a tripod.
The benefits of stop and go systems are
A better range of our ground points because of increased height. The data capturing time is also reduced, so you have faster data capturing, and it increases the efficiency. So the common points required between two scans can be neglected, and you can georeference each and every scan using the GNSS coordinates. Then the same Faro scanners can be integrated, and you can have this mobile mapping system using the same Faro scanners. For that, you require components like Applanix IMU system, 220 IMU system, Ladybug 5 spherical camera, the Faro Focus CD laser scanner, Citeco data acquisition system, and optionally with the Citeco mobile mapping systems you can also integrate Dyna test profilometer and IDS GeoRadar GPR. So this is the one and only system available right now which can integrate profilometers along with the laser scanners for doing pavement management. The benefits of Citeco mobile mapping systems are it's fully portable and adaptable to any vehicle. So you can install it on a SUV or a sedan. It's scalable and modular, so you can start with one Faro Focus CDX330 scanner and you can upgrade it till 3x330 scanners. It has a very optimal price to performance ratio. They provide their own post-processing software for imagery and point cloud management, and they have a CAD and GIS interface for AutoCAD, Bentley and ArcGIS, and they also have softwares for pavement management and facility management plus airport pavement management studies. There's a small video about the Citeco mobile mapping system. This is extracting the road data from the scan data. So for asset management, if you want to extract just the billboard, you can automatically detect a plane and it can extract the billboard data. just forward. So in September 4th, we are organizing a 3D user conference in Bangalore in the same hotel. So if you are interested about Faro products, so we will be displaying the Faro products and we will be having speakers from across the world discussing about 3D laser scanning, and we are also having software partners coming over there from various companies like Elysium, Jexcel. So you can register at 3duserconference.com and you can be here on 4th September for the 3D user conference. Thank you.